It's a beautiful day, and I just got finished seal coating the driveway, and I gotta tell you this right off the bat. It was a disaster of a driveway. In fact, I wasn't even certain that I was gonna be able to save it. So if this is on your honey-do list, well, you may wanna stay tuned. So here's our driveway, and as you can see, there's a great deal of cracks, and we've got to do quite a bit of weeding before we can get to the process of seal coating our driveway. Now this right here is a hook knife. It's one of my favorite tools to weed with. It's really good at getting between fine cracks and getting at the root of weeds. I also like to use a weeding hoe. Be thorough. Make certain you remove all vegetation between the cracks. Now you can use a driveway cleaner to help remove dirt, oil, and stains. Scrub with a stiff brush to help you remove oil stains. You may want to use a spot primer on oil spots that the driveway cleaner doesn't remove. Now, you just brush it on and it dries pretty quickly. Okay, our driveway is completely de-weeded. Now we can see the true condition of the driveway itself. Now the driveway really does need to be replaced, but we're going to try to get another year or two out of it. So this is what the ply stick looks like up close. This is the perfect material to use on deep holes. It can fill cracks in concrete and asphalt up to a ½ inch wide. Now the ply sticks, they need to be melted. And to do that, well, I'm going to be using MAP gas, but you can also use propane. Now keep in mind that deep holes may require pothole filler. Now on smaller cracks you may elect to use a liquid crack filler. Our cracks are filled and they've hardened, so now we can begin the seal coating. Now adding sand beefs it up and helps make it slip resistant. I like to add 3 or 4 shovelfuls. Now you want to make certain that you mix it thoroughly. Now you want to pour a generous amount on the driveway, but you'll want to apply thin coats of the seal coating. Now our driveway, we applied 3 thin coats to the driveway. Now the driveway at the project house, well, it was in pretty poor condition, but now we've got 1, maybe even 2 more years out of it. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.